Hi, boys and girls. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2020. I hope you guys had a lovely weekend. It was some really nice weather. So to start off today, some work you have to do is word study. So it's the same thing you guys have been doing with the slides. You want to fill in that third slide with the new vocabulary words definition. Use that word in a sentence. And tell it's part of speech. If you can find a picture, that's great. For reading today, we're reading the next chapter of The Lightning Thief, so we'll be reading chapter 20. So make sure you answer the questions that are attached. If you can in complete sentences, that would be great. And you can turn that in when you're done. For math today, we're doing 12.5, and 12.5 is all about line plots. So I don't know if you guys have experience with line plots in third grade. You may have seen them before, but possibly not. Maybe like some type of graphing. It's kind of like graphing, so it's a little bit different. But it's pretty easy. I think you guys will like it. It's kind of fun. So make sure you check out that lesson. Today there's an exit slip, Think Central. And actually in this lesson today there is optional work on Freckle and math games. I did find some similar stuff there, so you can check that out as well if you'd like to get a little more practice in. And then we have writing. So writing today we'll be drafting our conclusion paragraph. So we're pretty much at the end of our drafting phase. At this point, you should have an introduction. You should have your 3 to 4 subtopic paragraphs, and now we're writing our final paragraph, which is our conclusion. And then we'll go into the next phase of writing, which you guys know, after we draft, we revise, and then we edit. So this is kind of our last day of drafting the essay. So make sure you watch today's lesson on how to write a conclusion paragraph, what you need to include. Check out the checklist, make sure you include all those things, and you can draft your last paragraph to your essay. If you have some catching up to do with your paper, I would suggest you watch the previous lessons, catch up before you jump to the conclusion, and the whole paper should be drafted at this point after today. If you need some help with that, I've been meeting with some kids one-on-one to kind of help them draft it. So if you need some help from me, just let me know. We can try to set up a meeting, okay? So I think that's it. That covers, right? Word study, math, reading, and writing. So today's question of the day says, if I could fly, I would... ... So what would you do if you could fly? If I could fly, I'd probably do a lot more traveling. I like to travel, and sometimes you have to travel by plane somewhere, or you could travel by boat somewhere. But if you could fly yourself, it would probably be a lot quicker and easier and fun, right? So I'd probably do a lot more traveling to like different states and different countries and continents, and I'd be able to like fly somewhere, like to a different country and then come back and go to work the next day. Like that would be kind of cool if you could just fly whenever you wanted to. So if you could fly somewhere, or if you could fly in general, maybe it's just to fly above your town to see what it looks like, or maybe so you want to feel like a bird, or maybe you want to race an airplane, any reason why. If you could fly, what would you do? Okay, so answer that question below. It will partially count towards attendance. Well, like as you guys know, you need to complete some work today too in order to count for attendance. So make sure you're at least trying to get a little bit of work done. If you can squeeze it in while you're busy doing whatever you guys are doing, try to get the work done too. All right, if you have any questions or need any help from me, you guys know how to reach out and ask for help, okay? So have a great day. Get outside and play. I think it's supposed to be nice the rest of the day. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys soon. We'll have a Zoom meeting today at 1 if you want to join. Jump on. Your parents have the link on Class Dojo, and I posted it on this post. So come and join us to chat. And I'd love to see your faces. All right, so I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day.